Intro. Let's face it, cleaning can be a real drag. I mean, who actually enjoys scrubbing toilets and dusting shelves? But, alas, it's a necessary evil. Whether you're a neat freak or a slob, we all have to clean our homes from time to time. But fear not, my friends, for I have compiled a list of ways to boost your cleaning motivation and make the task at hand a little less daunting. Make a playlist. Studies have shown that listening to music can increase productivity and make tasks seem less tedious. So, create a playlist filled with your favorite upbeat tunes to help get you in the cleaning zone. Set a timer. This may seem like a no-brainer, but setting a timer can actually help you stay on track and make cleaning feel less overwhelming. Research has found that people are more likely to complete a task if they have a set time frame in which to do it. Reward yourself. Give yourself something to look forward to after you've finished cleaning. Whether it's a piece of chocolate or an episode of your favorite TV show, a little reward can go a long way in motivating you to tackle that pile of dishes. Break it down. Cleaning your entire house in one go can feel like an impossible feat. Instead, break it down into smaller, more manageable tasks. Research has shown that breaking a larger goal into smaller, more achievable goals can help boost motivation and increase the likelihood of success. Invite a friend over. Sometimes all it takes is a little accountability to get the job done. Invite a friend over and make a day of cleaning together. Not only will you get the cleaning done, but you'll also have someone to chat with and make the task feel less daunting. Make it a game. Turn cleaning into a game by challenging yourself to see how much you can get done in a certain amount of time. Research has found that gamification can increase motivation and engagement, making tasks feel less like a chore. Think of the end result. Visualize how great your space will look once it's clean and organized. Research has shown that visualization can help increase motivation and make tasks feel more achievable. In conclusion, cleaning may never be your favorite activity, but with these tips, hopefully, it won't feel like such a chore. So, put on your favorite tunes, set a timer, and get to work. Your future self will thank you.